Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Bucket Flow. And in today's video, we are going to explore one of the coolest things that makes AWS so powerful. That is AWS Global Infrastructure. I'm sure by the end of this video, you will understand how AWS is built across the world with a region, availability zone, edge location, and why it's matter when you host your application on your cloud. So let's get started. And before, if you're new to this channel, please feel free to subscribe and you can watch previous videos also. And if you are on LinkedIn, you can follow me and you can check out my portfolio. So let's get in AWS global infrastructure we have multiple things. Okay, if I show you the one animation, by the way, this website doesn't exist currently. Okay, so the new website is something it look like this. Okay, AWS global infrastructure, it's very good, it's amazing. Okay, you here you also you will get the separated region wise. Okay, but this is a old and it's very good. Okay, so I have archived, I have checked from the archive. Okay, it's not updated by the way, but you can see amazing animation and all. Okay, so if I flatten this one, so something AWS infrastructure, it's look like this. Okay, all around the world. Okay, so basically anywhere you are on the earth, you will able to access the AWS services and all. Okay, so we have region, availability zone, and local zones. Okay, so let me write it down here. We have region. Okay, and we have AZ, which is availability zone, and we have edge location. So let's copy our region. First topic is our region. Okay, so region, what is region if I ask? Okay, so basically AWS spread all over the world. Okay, you can see in this world. So region is basically divided by the geographic location. Okay, we have American region, US. Okay, we have Pacific region like India and all, and we have multiple Amazon console, and there we can see. Okay, if you drop down here, and currently it is selected United States, North Virginia. Okay, this is the reason: United States, Asia Pacific, Canada, Europe, and South America. Okay, these are the current regions. Okay, inside the region, yes, and one more thing, region something start like US East one. Okay, uh, here region US, like region East and one. I will tell you what this East and what this one means. Okay, in the later up in these videos. Okay, so currently we have United States, we have North Virginia, Ohio, California, and Oregon. Okay, currently we have seen some out region US East one, and why it's important region. By default you will get the US East one only most of the time. Okay, so we got United States. Okay, we have a three uh, regions. In one region we have a three multiple availability zone. Okay, we'll check what is this. Okay, so most of the AWS services are the region scoped. Some service will get in US East one only, some service you will not get in AP South one. Okay, which is in Asia Pacific Mumbai. So how to choose which AWS region you should choose? Okay, first one is based on your region. Okay, let me mark it arrow. Select which region you should select. Okay, first one is compliance. Okay, sometimes what you do, you need to fill compliance as per the government laws. Okay, so based like about the data security, how much data is going out of the country, how much data coming inside the country, who is able to access those data and all. So based on the compliance you should select the region. If you are in USA, you should select USA region. If you are in India, select the Indian region. So there you can have the compliance. Okay, the second one is proximity. Proximity is something like how much closer your application is hosted to the user. Okay, so if you are in India and you are hosting your application in USA, then of course users will face some latency to access those applications. Okay, so try to host with the nearest region or availability zone so that the user can able to access those website quickly or application quickly. And the third one is available service. Okay, available service. Sometimes what happens, some services are available in a specific region only. We will see which are all the region which is available in a particular region. Something like if you go and check here, something like billing account, you will get in a USA East region only most of the time. Okay, we'll see, we'll see. Okay, and last but not the least is pricing. So what happened, uh, services prices vary like region to region. If you are in USA, you have a different like pricing, and if you are in India, you have a different pricing. So that's uh, these are the four things you should keep in your mind while choosing the availability. Okay, which region. So one is compliance, proximity, available service, and pricing. About availability zone, which is AZ. Okay, let me copy this one and AZ. Okay, if we go to the documentation, okay, which is very good. Okay, AWS documentation. Okay, and here if we go North America. Okay, if we go North America, there will be geographical region. Okay, and availability zone, US West, US East. Okay, now we have a three availability zone. Okay, and if we go to here, okay, where is the USA? Yeah, if we see here now, see, are you able to see how these dots are connected with each other? Okay, so in each region have the multiple availability zone. Okay, multiple availability zone in the sense, if you go to AWS console and see here, this is the region and these are the availability zone 1 2 3 4. So minimum 3 should be there, okay, in each region, and maximum up to 6. Okay, how to verify this one? Okay, let's see. We have 4 here in United States. In Asia Pacific, 1 2 3 4 5 6, not more than 6. So maximum is 6, minimum is 3 should be there. Why 3? If anything goes wrong in one availability zone, the another availability zone will take care of the things. Okay, if I take an example of in India, where currently in the old days only one data like one in one region we have, see here, this is the Mumbai, which is the region, and we have a three availability zone, 1 2 and 3. Okay, did you got it? We have a three availability zone. So this is what availability zone. Each availability zone is one or a more dedicated data center which redundant power, network, and connectivity. They are separate from each other so that there is isolated disaster also. If anything goes wrong in one location, the other location will be safe, and they are connected with a high bandwidth, ultra low latency network. Okay, that's why they are in availability zone. Anytime, every time it will be available. Okay, now the third one is edge location. So currently Amazon has a 400 edge location, 400 plus edge location. And what basically this edge location do in the sense, uh, you have one application hosted in a United State. Okay, and there is they want to download some images. Your application contain a lot of images and all, so sometimes not sure where those images are there. So what happened, some CDNs like content delivery network will store the some images with the nearby data center, and to serve it fast, they will took from your edge location. Okay, so it will take less time compared to the another way. Okay, and that's what the edge location, like on edge you will get everything. Okay, so this is what AWS infrastructure. Okay, we got region, availability zone, and edge location. These are the old, and we'll see here in the new documentation. Okay, so here is a new documentation. We have if you go here, Europe, Middle East, Asia Pacific. So Asia Pacific, we have a Mumbai, mainland China. We have multiple. Okay, so let me see here the Mumbai. Okay, we have a three in Mumbai region. We have a three availability zone. Okay, I can see here Mumbai. So currently Hyderabad is also there, yeah, in Asia Pacific. I'm not sure if it's visible or not. I don't think so. Ah, yeah, here in Hyderabad also we have a three availability zone. Okay, and that is what. Oh, okay. If you want to deep dive into this infrastructure, you can go through this documentation. Okay, and but before closing, why you should learn about the availability zone and this infrastructure. Okay, first one is a speed. Okay, if you need speed, you should uh, host your application with the nearest availability zone regions and all. And second one is availability. Availability. Okay, so it's kind of uptime. Okay, there should be no downtime. Okay, and the third one is compliance. Okay, you should follow the compliance as per the government, as per the authorities and all. So this is what AWS infrastructure. Okay, it's nothing much. Okay, it's a simple topic but very important. Okay, and this is documentation, and this is what something called console. Okay, and so this is the introduction to our AWS interface. That's how AWS looks like. If you're new, if you newly logged in, okay, if you don't know how to log in, okay, let me know in a comment section how to sign up and how you can use it. Okay, if you're new, if you first time if you open, so nothing will be there. Okay, remove which nothing will be there. uh, okay, I guess I remove something. Later I will add. Okay, so if is click on the burger icon, all services. Okay, these are all like compute related. We have EC2, let's say Lambda, batch, then container, then storage, database, then migration and transfer, networking and content delivery. Okay, that's what we are talking about, edge location and all, content delivery, CDN. Okay, and we have a developer tools also. We have a customer enables, blockchain, satellite. Yeah, you can communicate to a satellite also from AWS. Okay, and then we have something quantum technology, management and governance. Okay, governance. Okay, so that's what we talk about, the governance. Okay, and we have media services. Okay, live streaming and all, machine learning. We have a machine learning app services also, lot many, and analytics for analytics also. And apart from that, we have a security, identity and compliance. Okay, security is the topmost. We can't compromise with the security at all. Okay, cloud financial management. Okay, front end web, mobile. Okay, amplify to create the applications. Application integration, so how you can communicate between the service to service or your application to services and all. We have a business applications also, which is used for monitoring and like that. And we have end user computing. Okay, we need to check this one. It's a high level topic. Internet of things, game development. You can do, you name it, you will get the service. Okay, on Amazon AWS services. Okay, so this is what console. If you click on icon, okay, you will something, it will look like this. Okay, you have a cost and usage. We have some articles, and from here you can select the which region you want to use. United States, North Virginia, US. If you are in India, you can use Mumbai. Okay, I guess Hyderabad is not visible currently. So if you are in India, you can select the Mumbai. If you have some other location, you can choose to nearest region. Okay, so it's good for. And apart from that, something we have cloud shell. Okay, we'll see what is the use of this cloud shell. Okay, as of now, no need. Just we have some notification. Here is a support, and here is settings. Okay, default settings, uh, dark, light, default. Okay, so you can choose. And here is your account. Okay, account ID. You got this option recently. Okay, and we have account organization, service quotas, billing and management, security credentials. Okay, lot many things. We'll see later. Okay, so this is what the introduction to AWS. And if you click on here, the something called square box. you will get the here separate. Okay, if you relate it to uh, game development, if you click, you will get the service related to game development, and these are the recent visits. Okay, IAM, EC2, Lambda. That's what this is what AWS uh, console look like. So, okay, if I logged out from here, let me sign out and show you something. So basically in AWS console we have two types of login. One is a root user and one is IAM user. Okay, let me write it here. One is root user, and we have something called normal user, IAM user, sorry, IAM user. So what the difference between root user and IAM user? So root user, like full access, okay, and IAM user have in AWS we have a privileged access. Okay, something called you will get the access which you need. Apart from that, no need access, something like that. Okay, I will tell you some one word related to that, which is limited access. Okay, so in IAM user, if you are IAM user, you have a limited access. If you are a root user, you have full access. Okay, so once you will create account, you will have a root user. Then you need to create an IAM user. Okay, IAM user, and then use this IAM user to do your task. Okay, that's a best practice, and that's the whole organization follows. Follow these practices only. No one will give you root access. Okay, and if you click here, sign into console or create account. So if you are new, you will create this account, and we have something called IAM user sign in. And if you go here, sign in using a root email address, and if you are click on this root user, okay, so you need to fill the email and all, then you able to log in. And we'll see how you can create the root user and IAM user. IAM user have the different URL, and root user have the different URL. So that's what we have learned today's topic and today's video. AWS global infrastructure and root user, IAM user, and we saw the console, AWS console. That's what. And if you want to explore more on this cloud global infrastructure, you can go to this documentation and check. And that's all. See you in the next video. And before closing this video, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe, and you can watch the previous videos also. If you're on LinkedIn, please follow. You can check out my portfolio. See you in the next video. Bye bye.